Mawchichi. I pulled up, face on a murder, can't face beat, yeah, I came out.
Hey y'all, what's up? This is your girl Mawchichi, and I am back with another video. As you can tell from the title, this video is just me coloring my locks. The color inspo came from, shout out to Renisha. She gave me the title, which was Poison Ivy, so we're just gonna get straight into it. First things first, you already know what's the typical process for coloring your hair. You get you your bleach and you get you your developer. There are so many different types, it doesn't matter. I was having a little hard time with this one. I didn't even want to come out the little scooper. But at any rate, I'm using 2 parts of the bleach, and I am using 20 volume developer because I am going to let this sit on my hair for a while. So I didn't want to just jump straight to 40. I want to give it a process instead of like overdoing my hair. So yeah. Basically, you just mix it up really, really good. I'm just scooping this over into the next one. I don't know why I picked this bowl. This bowl got 2 different sections, and I need way more than that to put on my locks. So, yeah, basically, you're just going to use as much as you need and mix it right on up. Right here, I'm just showing you the consistency. I like this texture of the mix because I'm gonna be able to fully saturate my locks with it. But you get it to the consistency that you like. This is perfect for me. This is what my hair currently looks like. Right now, I am just separating my locks. I just want to let you know that anytime that you're dealing with developer or dealing with color or anything and you're doing this in your house, make sure that one, you protect yourself and you protect your household items. I can tell you how many times I have gotten color on stuff and I have to sit here and use Awesome and bleach to get stuff out. Like at this point, I know what clothes I need to put on to make sure that my hair is straight at the end of the day and not worry about like excessive cleaning. Okay, so just a little tip for you. Didn't have any gloves, so I'm gonna use this bag. But basically what you want to do is make sure that you are saturating the locks fully. Okay, it does get messy, right? So there is a towel down that's on the floor to make sure it's catching all this extra bleach that's dripping off. For the most part, you want to make sure that you're putting it directly on your hair. This is my process for how I do it for my hair, and I'm satisfied with the color. My roots are already going to be a dark color, so I'm not really pressed. If it's not evenly done, I just need to get this color off and do something else with it. So I'm going to repeat this same process for the rest of my hair, basically separating my locks and applying the applying the bleach. And I'm going to put on the cap and let it, bake and do what it do. So here's the cap. And so now this is the finished product. Basically, I'm getting ready to just wash my hair. I rinse this out so it can stop the lifting process. And this is what it looks like, okay? This is what my locks turned out to look like. I have a whole line in the front from where my cap was, but oh well, it doesn't matter. Again, I'm using a dark color on my hair, so it doesn't matter. Now, next step is detox. So I needed to detox my hair. because after I did that bleaching process, I wanted to make sure that I got all of the developer out and the bleach out, like basically just strip my hair completely to get everything out, and then I'm going to replenish it. So I ordered this blow up bath from Amazon for the detox. And here we're just putting baking soda, apple cider vinegar, and some lemons in my hair, so that way I can let it soak. I believe I let my hair soak for about maybe 45 minutes. I'm not sure. I think it was about like 45 minutes that I let my hair sit and soak. So that way I could really get it all clean. And then after that, I'm going to be able to shampoo it and everything. So I did my bleaching process first, and then I decided to do my detox to make sure that I got all the excess out. And then I will go in and do my cleanse and deep conditioning of my locks. How often do I do a lock detox? I kind of stretch it out. I don't really do a lock detox, like I would say I do it like every 6 or 7 months. It really just depends on if I have been using a lot of products in my hair, honestly. For the most part, I like to use just Shea Butter, water, and I will use some leave-in conditioner, which is Cantu, but I'm very light with that because I don't want to have a lot of buildup, and I know that a lot of different products will create buildup, but for me, this has been working to where I don't have a whole bunch of buildup, honestly. Right here is when I had got life kind of messed up. My little blow up thing is trying to deflate. So at this point, I realized, like, yeah, you pretty much done, sis. Go ahead and get to cleaning. So with each of the locks, I just individually wring them out, like push to get the excess gunk and the dirt out. I did it backwards and forwards to make sure that I got everything out of the way. All detoxed out, baby. Look at that. Looking good. Now I've added the color in and rinsed it out. This is how it looks. Time for conditioner. Boom. There's the conditioner. We are going to sit under the dryer for at least 45 minutes here, okay? Washed and conditioned. It feels much better. Like, it's definitely not dry from when I bleached it. That conditioner did very good. The locks look really, really good. Yes. So it was supposed to be, my lips are so dry. It was supposed to be the ends were supposed to be cosmic yellow, but it didn't turn out that way. It was more like a green. So I usually use Pravana hair color, but I believe the store that I was looking for in Texas, they did not have it here. Like Cosmo Prof, it was like way too far. I wasn't about to drive far to go pick that up. And then it's another one, another store, I forget, that I couldn't get to, so I just chose the Adore. However, if you really want the neon yellow, go with the Pravana Vivids because I had it before, so it just didn't do right. And then the excess water that I had left inside of the shower cap from when I was sitting under the dryer to let the color get in, my ends ended up sitting in that, so that's why they're not as it's not as light as it used to be, because my ends was actually like sitting in the leftover color that was dripping off of my hair, so it made it a little darker, which is still okay. I'm okay with it. It's not horrible or anything. I'm proud of it. When I first did this though, this was actually looking purple towards my roots. When I was using the Adore Ocean Blue, it was looking purple. So I was like, I don't know what that is going to be, but it actually didn't do purple. It's blue. It's definitely blue. I'm gonna end up soaking my nails in some alcohol and probably bleach to get this color off. But as of right now, I'm gonna take another rinse and I'm gonna start my retwist and then sit under the dryer. I'm proud of these locks, they look good. So here I am. I finally finished my retwist. It was real quick, nothing crazy. I am sitting under the dryer to dry the rest of my hair because it is a little wet. I'm probably gonna have to push this thing down some. But I'm gonna show y'all the color when it's done. Yeah, when it's done. Okay. Check me out, y'all. We still drying, but it's looking good. Woo! And we are done. Listen, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you. Definitely give me a thumbs up and like this video. I'm tired. I need to soak my nails. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Hair on sleek. I'm a shot caller, neat on a Bourbon Street on a Bourbon.